Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the vibration in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the more button. And at the alarm section, click on the vibration button. And as you can see, there are 3 options that you can choose from, and then it is set for the one that is recommended, but you can always choose another one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.